Okay, so moving right along, we need to talk about how to link tasks and dealing with task dependencies. And the first thing we need to discuss are the different types of dependencies that we have available within project. So you have four. Okay, you have finish to start, indicating one task must finish before the next one can start. You have start to start, obviously both starting at the same time, finish to finish, as well as start to finish. So those are the four dependencies that you have, and what we need to discuss is how to actually create them. So, looking at this little example project that we have here, and I'm going to be dealing with the Gantt chart so we can see this actually happening. What we have is we have a few tasks, let's say these two tasks here, and I would like to link them together. Now there's several methods for doing this. I'm going to tell you a few of them. The first one is you're simply going to select the two tasks you'd like to link. So I'm going to select task number 3 and 4 here, and then in order to link them together, I'm going to click the Link Tasks button on the toolbar, okay, found right here, or you can also go to the Edit menu and choose Link Tasks. Both are fine. For this example, I'm going to use the button. So by clicking that button, you notice that it creates a dependency. And the dependency that it creates by default is finish to start, indicating that task number 3 must finish before task number 4 can begin. Now, if I would like to change that dependency, there's several ways to do that. First way is if you move your mouse directly over that link line, directly over that dependency that got created, and you double click. It's a little bit finicky. We do have to get right over that line. This is going to pop up and it says from the particular task to the next task, and then we can choose the type right there. And there's your finish to start, start to start, finish to finish, or start to finish. You also have a delete button there if you'd like to remove a dependency. So let's just say, for sake of example, I would like to switch it to start, click OK, the dependency gets changed, now I've created the start to start dependency. The second way to change a dependency is if I were to double click on the successor. So this is the predecessor, this would be the successor. So if I double click on task number 4 and I go to a tab here called predecessors. Well, there you have it. It lists the task that it's linked to, the previous task, and then you have the type. And again, we can pick from those 4 types of dependencies we have. I'm going to switch it back to finish to start. When I click OK, the dependency gets changed back. So that's how we can change a dependency. Now let's look a little bit more into linking. If I would like to link non-adjacent tasks, for example, I would like to link task number 4 here to task number 6. In order to do that, I would need to use the control key on my keyboard. So if I click on task number 4, and then I hold control and I click select locations, that allows me to select those individual tasks, and now if I click the link tasks button, well then the link gets created. I'll scroll over and take a look here. There you have it. It's linked task number 4 to task number 6. So using control, we can select non-adjacent tasks and link them together. One other method for linking. If I would like to link, let's say, task 7 here to task number 6, without selecting and using the Link Tasks button, we do have an extra column called predecessors. Now, what we can do here is I can type in the predecessor number. So I could say, I would like to link this to task number 6 by simply typing in a 6, hitting enter, and then the link gets created. Let's go take a look at it. So over on my Gantt chart, there's the link we just created by typing in the number 6. So there's several methods for actually creating links within your project. One being the Link Tasks button, the other one being the predecessors column that's available to you in the entry table. And to remove a link, we can use the same method. So we could select the 2 that are linked and we could use the break link button, or we could go into our predecessors column and simply delete the task ID number that's there, and that is going to remove the link as well.